How to promote affiliate links on Facebook groups. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how you can promote your affiliate links on Facebook groups and attract audience to your affiliate program or product. It is organic traffic, free traffic that you can attract from Facebook groups, and I will be showing you how you can actually find a good product and then create a landing page for that, and then how to put up a affiliate link on Facebook group and get the clicks and earn money. So let's get started. First, when it comes to doing affiliate marketing, and before we create a link, before we share a link, we will need to choose the right product for us. To find a product, you can actually go to any of the platforms that you want to use. There are many platforms, for example Warrior Plus, ClickBank, and others. I am using warriorplus.com right now. This is a platform that allows you to find different products, and from here we will be getting our affiliate product. So what you have to do is just go to the dashboard, and I will just find a product for affiliate marketing, and then we will simply do the affiliate marketing. This is the dashboard for Warrior Plus, and to find an affiliate offer, what I have to do is go to affiliate and offers. When I click on offers, I will be able to see different offers, different products that I can actually use, and after that I'm just gonna click and scroll down a bit. It's just gonna take a little time to load, and okay, it's loaded. So you will see these products. There are hundreds of products that you can actually choose from. So I will be choosing a program that has good refund rate and visitor value and conversion rate. So you will see these right here, and let's just go with any of these. So let's just say that I want to choose this product right here. What I will do is I will simply click on here, and once I click, after that it will open it up, and from here I will request the affiliate link. So what happens is you request a link, and once that request is approved, what you do is you have your link. You can see this is the product I'm going with, and there are many other products. This is the good thing about a platform called Warrior Plus, that you can see different products from one vendor right here. So you will see the 18 products they have, and so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just request the link, and once you have the link, the second step is creating the landing page. Now you might think that as a beginner, what happens is we think that when we have the link for our affiliate program, for our affiliate product, what happens is you just go to Facebook and you create a post and you can just add the link there. That's not how it works, because you cannot add direct links. Facebook will block you. What you will have to do is you will actually have to create a landing page for your product. So to create a landing page, I also have this platform for you, which is super easy, powered by Google, blogger.com. Now you can actually go to Google sites and create a site there. For creating a good landing page, I think blogger.com is super easy to use. What you do is you simply sign up for blogger.com, and after that you create your own blog. Right now I have created a blog on blogger.com. So what happens is that you can actually view your blog. So you will be able to create a good landing page. And when we talk about creating a landing page for affiliate program, what happens is that you have the landing page, you can add the review of the products, and for after the review you have the products. And once you have the landing page, you can just create on blogger.com. Once you have the page, once you have the product, what you will do is you will come to Facebook. On Facebook, what you have to do is you will search for the groups. Now there are many things that you can do on Facebook now, guys. There are groups, anything that is under the sun that can be now found on Facebook. So similarly, if I click on affiliate marketing and I search for affiliate marketing and I search for groups, what's gonna happen is I will see these different groups that are available, and I can join any of the group. You can see right here you can see right here that this is a group called affiliate marketing. So what happens in these groups is that you can see this person doing affiliate marketing. So what happens is that you add a post, and this group, the whole purpose for this group is to do affiliate marketing and to find different affiliate programs and products. So what will happen is that you will create a landing page. Then what you have to do is you come to the group, and then you add the post right here in this group. Now these groups have many members, and if I go to the about of this group, let me show you. I'm not just talking about this group in particular, there are many groups out there, and you can see their total look at this one, 103k members for this group. So what happens is that these members are actually, they have their own affiliate products, they have their own affiliate programs. So what they do is they kind of help you in order to get the clicks, in order to get your products. Not only you can do, your own affiliate marketing, find a product on these groups as well. You don't have to go to any other platform. What you will do is you can just, find any product from your group, and then you can do affiliate marketing right here. Again, I would suggest that you might think that creating a post and, adding link is that's it, but you will actually need a landing page. But I told you, you can just simply create that blogger.com. Once you have that, what you do is you simply come here, create a public post, and you click right here, and after that you will see the option of create post. What you do is you add the text, and once you have added the text, you will add the, you can add the image, you will add the link to your landing page. And this is how you can do, affiliate marketing on groups. Not just affiliate marketing group, you can go to different products. For example, your product is a software product, so you can just, go to the search bar and click for software developers or stuff like that, and you will see these different, maybe let's go to groups, and you can find groups for anything. And once you have that, you will be able to, for example, you have a software developing tool as a product. What you will do is you will just simply, go to any of these groups and add a link. But this could be sometimes, bad, because the rules for the groups actually have no affiliate marketing policy. But if they have one, then find the groups that do not have this policy and that allow you to add the links for your landing page. And once you have found the group, there are literally many members. You can see 54k members, 14k members, 127k members, because Facebook has the audience. It has the people that are scrolling down looking for different products to buy, looking for different, ads. And this audience can actually help you with affiliate marketing. All you have to do is just choose a product, create a landing page, and after that, do the affiliate marketing on Facebook. The good thing is that you will be attracting the organic traffic. So yeah, guys, this is how you can do affiliate marketing on Facebook groups. Super easy, and you don't even need any business account or anything. You can just do it with your simple account as well. So yeah, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.